Good morning, children. I am Kesan sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Besan School. In previous class, we have discussed revision, the topic numbers. Today also, we have to continue the same topic numbers, revision only. Okay? This is for exams. You have to revise each and everything in your studio companion book. Okay, children? So, first of all, today we are going to discuss Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Okay? Indian system of numeration. Okay. Periods and place values. What about the periods? Okay, once. Okay, next. Once. Next. Thousands. Thousands. Next to lakhs. Next to crores. These are the periods. In place values, these are the periods. The place values in ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands, ten thousands. Thousands, 10,000. Okay. Next, lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs. Next, crores. 10 crores. 10 crores. So this is about place value chart. Okay. So what about the periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay. Next, in ones period, place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, in lakhs, 10 lakhs, in crores, 10 crores. Okay, children. Next, in the page number 11, in studio book, observe here, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, observe here, like this given. Ones, this is like given ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Next, thousands. Okay, ones, tens. That means ones means thousands, 1,000s, tens, 10,000s, ones, 1,000s means thousands, tens, 10,000s. Next to lakhs, same, ones, tens. That means 1 lakh and 10 lakhs. Both will be the same way. This is another way representation, that is previously, okay, representation. Okay, there is no difference between that one and this one. Concept is same, but representation is different. Okay, children, please try to understand. So about crores, what we can say crores, same, ones, crores, ones, tens. Okay, children, note down. So this is Indian system of numeration. Okay. Next, Indian system of numeration. Some examples I will tell you. Okay, how to read the number name. Indian system of numeration. Examples: 7, 2, 1, 3, 8, 9, 5, 8. Okay. Okay. About number name: 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh to 10 lakh, crore. So 7 crore, 7 crore, 21 lakh, 21 lakh, 38,000, 8,000, 900, 58, 58. So this is the one example. Okay, how to read and how to write number name. Okay, 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh to 10 lakh, crore. 7 crore, 21 lakh, 38,958. Okay, children. So this is one example. Next, one more example. One more example I will tell you. 4, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 8, 4. Okay. Okay. 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh to 10 lakh, crore. So 4 crore, 4 crore. Okay. 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Next, 84, 84. Okay. 4 crore, 4 crore, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 84. This is the one example. I hope you understood very well. Note down, children. Next, some more examples. Sin 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh to 10 lakh, crore to 10 crore. So 60 crore, 60 crore, 89 lakh, 89 lakh, 64,000, 64,000, 589, 589, okay. So 60 crore 89 lakh 64,589. This is the one example, okay children. Next to one more example I will tell you. From 06486 765 1 to 10 to 100 1000 10,000 lakh to 10 lakh crore 10 crore, okay. 70 crore 64 lakh 64 lakh 86,000 765 This is the one example for Indian system of numeration. Okay children, I hope you understood very well. Note down children. Everyone, you should prepare very well, okay. And again two more examples are there, that also I will discuss next. See, okay, 1 to 10 to 100 1000 10,000 lakh to 10 lakh crore 10 crore. So what is the answer? 10 crore 85 lakh 85 lakh 74,000 74,625 625, okay. 10 crore 85 lakh 74,625. This is the one example. I hope you can do very well. Next to international system of numeration about we will discuss, okay. Next. International international system of numeration. Okay, so once periods we have three: ones, tens, hundreds. Next, thousands. We have again the place values in this period also three only. That is also thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Thousands, 10,000, 100,000. So simply we can write 1 to 10 to 100. 1 to 10 to 100. That means 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. Next period, millions. This is also we have three place values: 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. 1 to 10 to 100. Okay. Next to billions. Okay, this one no need, up to here only we have. Next billions, 1 billion, 10 million, 100 billion. Okay children, so okay, one example I will tell you, children, note down. So next, this is also billion, and also 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So this is international system of numeration. Okay, some examples we will discuss. Children, note down. Next, 2, 3, 0, 8, 5, 6, 4, 2, 1. Okay. 1 to 10 to 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 230 million, 230 million, 856,000. Okay, 421. 100, 21. In 230 million, 856,421. This is one example. Okay. Okay, the same question, Indian system of numeration, how we can do this? 230856421. Okay, this is international system of numeration. So this is international system of numeration. Same question, 230856421. 4 to 1. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 23 crore, 8 lakh, 56,000. So 23 crore. Next 8 lakh, 8 lakh, 56,000. This is same, 56,000, 421, 421. Okay children, so this is 23 crore, 8 lakh, 56,421. This is international system of numeration. This is Indian system of numeration. One example only we have discussed in two methods. One is international system of numeration and this one is Indian system of numeration. Children, I hope you understood very well. Okay, note down this one. Next, so this is today's my class homework. Studio page number 12, 13. Okay, next 14, next 17, 19, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 21, 21. Okay, so all these problems in this page number you have to do practice. Children, this very important revision session, the topic numbers very concentrately you have to watch this video and you have to practice as well as. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Definitely I am believing you will do it. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.